Title: Food Technology, B.Tech. Year 1, Exploring the Basics. Semester 1. The journey begins with introductory courses in food science, chemistry, and basic engineering principles. Labs and lectures teach the fundamentals of food processing and safety. The subjects are Basic Electrical Engineering, Engineering, Graphics and Design Mathematics 1, Basic Chemistry, Physics, Introduction to Biosciences, Environmental Studies. Total 14 credits in SM1. Semester 2. Building on the basics. Subjects like microbiology and biochemistry come into play. Hands-on experiments in the lab give a deeper understanding of food composition. Subjects are Principles of Food Preservation and Processing Communication Skills, Engineering Workshop, Electronic Engineering, Biochemistry, Mathematics. L. General Microbiology, Computer Programming and IT Applications, Human Nutrition, Introduction to Agriculture. Total 25 credits in SEM2. Summer Internship. The summer break is spent interning at a local food processing plant. Here, our aspiring food technologist gains practical exposure to food production, quality control, and safety regulations. Year 2. Delving deeper. Semester 3. Courses like food engineering and food microbiology become more specialized. There's a focus on learning about unit operations in food processing. Subjects are Basics of Management, Basics of Finance and Accounting, Engineering Properties of Food Material, Food Engineering, Food Chemistry, Computer Programming, and IT Applications, Food Microbiology and Safety, Mechanical Engineering, Post-Harvest, Management of Fresh Produce. Total 29 credits. Semester 4. Subjects like food packaging technology and quality assurance come to the forefront. Students participate in group projects, creating prototypes of packaged food products. Subjects are food supply chain management, financial management, refrigeration and freezing, food engineering 2, fruits, vegetables, and plantation products, dairy technology, cereals, pulses, and oilseeds, technology, intellectual property rights. Total 27.5 credits in Sem4, Summer Internship. This year's internship focuses on a different aspect, perhaps in a research or development role. Our student starts gaining insight into the innovation side of the industry. Year 3. Hands-on experience. Semester 5. More specialized courses like sensory evaluation and food analysis are introduced. There's an increased emphasis on lab work and experimentation. Subjects are marketing management, entrepreneurship development, food engineering, bakery and confectionery technology, meat, fish and poultry, product technology, statistical methods. Total 26 credits in Sem 5. Semester 6. Our student may choose electives based on their interests, such as food safety management or product development. They also participate in industry visits and workshops. Subjects are modeling for decision support system, business ethics, instrumentation and process control, food packaging technology, food regulations and AMP, safety management system, food additives, ingredients and their safety, methods of food analysis, introduction to village adoption, rural development. Total 26.5 credits in Sem 6. Summer Internship. This internship might involve working with a regulatory body, gaining insights into compliance and industry standards. Year 4. Integration and Transition, Semester 7. The final year includes a major project, often in collaboration with a food industry partner. This capstone project demonstrates the student's ability to apply their knowledge in a real-world scenario. Subjects are Village Adoption Program, Professional Internship, New Product Development, and Sensory Evaluation. Total 16 credits in Sem 7. Total 16 credits in Sem 8. Graduation. The journey culminates in a graduation ceremony, marking the successful completion of the bachelor's degree in food technology. So finally, all the best and do your level best